Hello everybody, welcome back to another JQ on the Go video. So today I'm going to give you some updates about the Audi, what's going on with the channel, and just kind of answering some questions that I've seen in the comments. But before I jump into, I guess, the meat and potatoes of this video, I want to say thank you so much for all the support. Right now we're at 230 subscribers. My video on the paint job on the Mustang has 20,000 views, and I posted that video less than a year ago. My update with the Audi has a little over 3,000 views, and I want to say that was like 5-6 months ago now. So good views, good commentary from you guys. I'm reading the comments, I'm catching up. I apologize for not getting to everybody sooner, but as always, please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next, because this is just the beginning. So now, to kind of jump into the Audi. So as many of you know, my daily driver, which I'm sitting in right now, is a 2012 Audi A5. I did a video kind of a couple months back, kind of letting you know how it's been. I've been answering some comments about how the reliability is, and I have to say everything has been good, besides a couple little things. So as you can see, one, we still have the bubble back here in the headliner. So I'm bringing the car in for its 95,000 mile service. I know I'm a little bit below needing a 95,000 mile service, but I have not been able to bring the Audi into an Audi dealer or a certified Audi mechanic since I've owned it. I've used some independent shops, and it's been, not the best. I recently had the brakes and rotors redone. Brought it back to that shop about 2 or 3 times to kind of adjust some things. Still having a little bit of issues with that, with a little bit of noise in the rear when the caliper actually grabs the rotor. And I need an oil change, and I have that issue with the headliner. So I'm bringing it into Audi. I kind of told them everything that is wrong with the car and what's going on. And I will let all of you guys know how expensive that bill is going to be and if Audi is able to resolve those problems. So make sure to look out for that. As well, I know a lot of people have been commenting about like my videos and the editing and all that stuff. I'm still working out some kinks. I'm still trying to modernize the channel and kind of bring it up. Overall, the gist of each of my videos is just to make somebody smile and for you to learn something. And if you don't smile, I apologize. It's never my intention to upset anybody or to mislead anybody. So you'll see now, I'll put it in like 30 seconds after I'm done talking. I made a new intro, and at the end of my videos, I have a new slogan that I'm gonna be going with. So please follow along. Make sure that you kind of give those positive energies, those good vibes to me, and I'll try to give them back to you. And on the topic of cameras, I did recently get a drone, so I'm gonna unbox that, play with that. I'm gonna try to bring that to some car events and do some other fun things with my friends with it. So make sure if you're interested in some drone content, I'm gonna be playing around with that as well. So without further ado, here is the new car on the channel. Oh my, like I'm getting goosebumps right now, like wow. I know this is gonna sound really silly, but I'm stuck. This is nuts! This is nuts! Give her a rap. And now, jumping into some videos that I have. So as of recording this update, I have 4 videos pre-uploaded to go, and they should be coming out very, very soon. So here, I'm gonna put all the dates for when those videos are all coming out and the timestamps. I'm gonna be playing around with some different times and some different dates of when I wanna upload, because originally I was doing Saturdays at 4:45 p.m. and I was getting some good traction, some bad traction. That could also be the video content, but I'm gonna play around with a couple of different things, see what kind of works. But to know all of when my videos are coming out and all like specific information for when I'm not here on YouTube, please make sure to follow my Instagram. That is my most active. Oh, somebody's back. Okay, that is, sorry, somebody was backing up and they got really close. But I keep saying but a lot. That is my most active platform, Instagram. So make sure you check me out there, JQ on the Go. That's where I update everybody and do things there. I do have TikTok and some other platforms which are linked down in the description, but Instagram is my most used. Once more, I just want to say thank you very much. I really hope that everybody is enjoying what I'm putting out. I am going to be busy with these upcoming months as this is my senior year of college, but I love making videos and this is something I enjoy doing, so that's what I am going to keep doing. And I have a lot more car shows coming, more track events coming, more events where I'm reviewing my friends' cars. I have a couple of them up on the block. I don't want to give all of that away yet, but make sure to stick around as always. And last but not least, please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!